In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up all user data in Google Workspaces in just 5 minutes. Now, this can be an invaluable process for ensuring all your data is securely stored and can be retrieved when needed. So let's get started right away. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace website. This is where all your backup operations will begin. Make sure you're signed in with the administrator account, as you'll need these privileges to back up user data. Next, you'll want to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts signed in, ensure you select the correct one that is associated with your Google Workspace. This part is crucial, as you want to back up the right data. Once you've selected the correct account, go ahead and enter your password. Security is a priority here, so double check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any hiccups. After entering your password, simply click on the Next button to proceed. This brings you one step closer to accessing the admin features you need. Next, you will see a square dots icon located at the top right of your screen. Click on this icon to open up more options. From this drop-down menu, select the Admin Console. Once you enter the Admin Console, you'll have access to all the administrative tools available in Google Workspaces. Within the Admin Console, look for and click on the option labeled Data. This is your gateway to managing and exporting all the data in your organization's Google Workspace. Once there, find and click on Data Export. This option allows you to initiate a backup of all user data. However, it's important to note that there are a few prerequisites to keep in mind. Your account must be at least 30 days old and have two-step verification enabled. This is a security measure implemented by Google to protect your data, ensuring only authorized and long-standing accounts can access such sensitive operations. Now, having followed these steps, you've effectively set up a backup for all user data in your Google Workspace. This process ensures that all user emails, documents, and any other data managed through Google Workspace are securely stored and ready for any recovery operations in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward and swift way to ensure your organization's data is safe and sound. Regular backups are essential in today's digital age, where data security is paramount. I hope this guide was useful and that you're now more comfortable with managing and backing up your data. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to keep your data protected.